All right, so day two. So one day working on this, and most of today was spent coming up with a new name for the business. So instead of Prof Stack, I'm going to be switching that up, which we'll reveal next week. But got the product working where we can add products and it saves to the database. So we've got a few tables set up in Supabase. Took some work there to run a SQL script, but have the different fields here. And so if we save another product, let's assume it's a home care company that does snow removal, lawn care. We'll go ahead and add the product, and then here in the database, we should see. Do I need to refresh? Yeah, there we go. Lawn care and snow removal. So it seems like it's connected to Supabase. Added some additional things like an idea of a package where you can have multiple things um, in multiple products within a package, and also got the authentication going. So I had to set up SendGrid to connect to Supabase in order to send out the email. So next week, with this MVP, or I guess it's Friday, so next week as I'm working on this, I think we're going to get into the call transcript. So uploading a transcript, and then we'll be connecting to Claude in order to make that take the transcript and generate a quote directly from a conversation that is had with the client. So that's the update for this week. Up until now, I haven't touched any code myself. Has all been through Claude Code, and so I'm going to make this update for today on how billing is done for different products. And it's been a pretty amazing experience with Claude Code so far, not having really to touch the code other than the issues that we had yesterday. That was more terminal and infrastructure getting everything set up. But someone like myself, who's more of a solutions engineer, product engineer, it's been amazing working with Claude Code, not having to touch the code directly. And from what I've heard from friends as well, the UI is really difficult to deal with. Claude's not great at styling as a designer would, but when it comes to functionality, I'm gonna try vibe coding this all the way without having to touch any of the direct code myself. So that's the update for today. Follow along next week for some additional updates to see if we can get it completed by the end of the week.